Amsterdam has a problem most cities would envy. Its buildings are centuries old, narrow, tall, and built before the concept of storage existed. Yet somehow, the Dutch turned this constraint into an art form. In a city where the average apartment is under 40 square meters, every centimeter is intentional. Every window faces the canal. Every wall hides a drawer. Every room does 3 jobs. This is a 38sqm Amsterdam apartment, and it might be the most livable small space we've ever seen. The first thing you notice is the light. Amsterdam apartments face the canal, and that water reflects sunlight into the room at angles you can't predict. The windows are tall and undressed. No heavy curtains, no blinds, just light moving slowly across pale wood floors all morning long. Dutch architects solved the small space problem centuries before it became trendy. Go vertical. Floor-to-ceiling shelving lines entire walls. Storage climbs upward, not outward. In a 38sqm apartment, the walls do the work, so the floor stays free. There are no wasted corridors here. Living, dining, and kitchen exist in one continuous space, defined not by walls, but by light, texture, and intention. A rug anchors the seating area. A pendant light marks the dining zone. The kitchen sits quietly at the back. 3 rooms, 1 space. In Amsterdam apartments, storage is never an afterthought. It's architecture. Beds lift to reveal deep compartments below. Stairs become drawers. Benches open. Walls slide. Nothing is purely decorative. Everything holds something. Dutch minimalism is not cold. It's warm oak and exposed brick, linen cushions, and ceramic mugs. Where Scandinavian design leans white and sparse, Dutch interiors lean amber, layering texture and warmth into every surface. The result feels lived in, intentional, deeply human. The kitchen in a 38sqm apartment cannot afford a single wasted inch. Integrated appliances disappear into cabinetry. Open shelving replaces upper cabinets, keeping the space feeling open. A small kitchen island doubles as a breakfast bar, prep space, and extra storage. Compact, but complete. The bedroom earns its square meters. A low platform bed sits centered, flanked by wall-mounted lights that free up every surface. Blackout linen panels replace heavy curtains. A built-in wardrobe spans one entire wall. Small, yes, but nothing is missing. In a dense city like Amsterdam, nature doesn't come to you. You bring it in. A trailing pot hose on the bookshelf, a fig tree in the corner, fresh tulips, always, on the table. These small gestures connect a 38sqm apartment to something much larger. Amsterdam's color palette comes directly from its streets. The gray-green of canal water, the warm amber of evening brick, warm white walls, dusty sage accents, natural linen and aged oak. A palette that feels calm in every light. Morning, afternoon, and the long Dutch dusk. 38 square meters is not a compromise. Not in Amsterdam. Here it is a choice. To live with less, but better. Every object chosen carefully. Every space earning its place. The result is not a small apartment that wishes it were bigger. It is a complete home that happens to fit in 38 SQM. In one of Europe's most expensive cities, 38 square meters is not a limitation. It's a philosophy, live with intention. Choose quality over quantity. Let light do the decorating. Amsterdam has been teaching the world how to live well in small spaces for 400 years, and it still hasn't run out of ideas. If this inspired you, subscribe for a new interior video every week, and tell me in the comments, could you live in 38 SQM? What would you keep, and what would you leave behind?